कॉमर्स सिर्फ अकाउंट्स नहीं होता, इट्स मच बिगर देन दैट। अगर आपको लगता है कॉमर्स का मीनिंग सिर्फ डेबिट या क्रेडिट होता है, तो इस वीडियो देखने के बाद आपका पूरा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होगा। Hi everyone, this is Shaien and I welcome you all to Commerce with Shaien. Let us understand the meaning of commerce in the most simplest possible way. What is commerce? Commerce is basically the exchange of goods and services from producer to the consumer. This whole process is known as commerce, not just buying and selling. Commerce ensures that right product to be delivered at the right place on the right time to the right customer. कॉमर्स के दो मेन कंपोनेंट्स हैं, दैट इज ट्रेड एंड एड्स टू ट्रेड. Let us understand this in detail. What is trade? Trade is basically the buying and selling of a goods and services. Suppose if you want to buy a cell phone, you went to the smartphone shop and you purchased a cell phone. That is known as trade. And the things which are going to support your trade, that is known as aids to trade. Here we have transport, banking, insurance, warehousing, and advertising. Transport means the transporting of goods from one place to another. Banking helps in the payment system. Insurance helps in the risk reduction. Warehousing is the place where the goods are stored. And advertising is the strategy which is used by the companies to promote their products. Let us understand this with the real life example. Suppose if you want to purchase a laptop from Amazon, you went on the Amazon website, the products are listed on the website. You select the product which you like and you place the order. And after that, you make the payment, and within few days, the product is delivered. This whole process is commerce. Have you ever thought why commerce is that important? Commerce helps in connecting the producer to the customers. It creates job opportunities for the people. Also, this way it is helping the economy to grow. अगर कॉमर्स नहीं होता तो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स फैक्ट्री में ही रह जाते. So today we have learnt meaning of commerce, trade and aids to trade with the real life example. अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें कॉमर्स विद शाइन फॉर मोर सिंपल एंड पावरफुल एक्सप्लेनेशंस. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक कवर करेंगे. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड.